Hello, hey everyone, welcome to Polkadot Decoded. Today we are diving into future of governance and decentralization at Polkadot. I'm Nikhil Ranjan, CTO of Polkassembly, and guess what? It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Getting this talk approved is the best gift ever. You can find me at Niklav everywhere. So Polkadot governance has come a long way since launching OpenGov. It's now the gold standard of governance in Web3. Governance activity has exploded, making Polkadot the most active and democratic DAO. Every dot holder has a voice in decisions like runtime upgrades, configuration changes, and treasury allocations. The treasury supports multiple decentralized teams, which build and maintains the Polkadot ecosystem. Gov1 was limited to one referenda at a time. OpenGov introduced multiple tracks, fast-tracking the process. Before OpenGov, the community was limited in its ability to participate actively. Only a handful of proposals could be considered at a given time, which slowed down the innovation and responsiveness. OpenGov has changed the game by allowing multiple referenda to run concurrently, each with its own track and timeline. This change has not only increased the efficiency, but also has empowered a more diverse range of voices within the community. So we are all familiar with the life cycle of a referendum in OpenGov, multiple tracks, decision-making periods, and voting phases. But it's more than just about a process. It's more about community engagement. So the life cycle of a referendum begins as lead-in period. We have a deciding and confirmation period, and then enactment period. And the voting begins at deciding periods, and like the vote counts mostly at enactment period, at the confirming period. So there was a new track that was introduced. It's called Wish for Change, which accelerated the governance process. The Wish for Change track was response to community need for more agile and responsive governance mechanisms. It allowed for quicker and decision-making on proposals that might not fit neatly into other tracks, but are still critical for community progress. The flexibility has been vital in addressing urgent issues, implementing innovative ideas promptly. So how have we evolved with the dynamic OpenGov? So Polkassembly has become gateway to everything governance. Our homepage has all the relevant information on current governance activities. We have expanded our sidebar with shortcut to different destinations to everywhere on Polkassembly. Polkassembly user interface is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that even those new to the governance can navigate and participate easily. The homepage features real-time updates on active proposals, recent discussions, and upcoming votes. Our goal is to make governance accessible for everyone, fostering a more inclusive community. So we also have launched a extremely detailed referendum analytics. This page shows key data points with beautiful charts, helping voters make more informed decisions. You can see if a governance referendum is a grassroots-driven or it's well-skewed. Our analytics tools provide deep insight into voting behavior and trends. Voters can see distribution of votes by various demographics, track the progression of votes over time, and even more historical data to understand how past referenda has shaped the current governance landscape. These tools are essential for making informed decisions and promoting transparency. Sorry. Yeah. So our delegation dashboard also got a recheck. We have added more data and introduced easy actions, making delegation super intuitive and easy to use. Stake can also be delegated to, so everyone here, if they are not voting, should delegate their vote to their favorite delegator, whose info you can see on this page. We are working with Web3 Foundation also to migrate the official delegation dashboard to here as well. We have also deployed new fellowship product. The Polkadot Fellowship is an embedded technical expert body to which every dot holder can get elected. Fellowship has no hard power over the network, but it can declare certain proposals as safe, malicious, or time critical, and can then therefore facilitate quicker bug fixes or identify malicious ones. You can know everything about your fellow on this page. You can track their decisions and make them accountable. You can also see their voting history. The fellowship now has 93 fellow and counting. Our teams work very hard. We are delivering product in one day. This feature was requested, and it was delivered in one day to apply for head ambassador in the fellowship. We have also introduced notifications so that it can make your life easy by checking your last activities. The profile page is also getting better. It now contains all your relevant data and contribution to governance process. And now, in new announcement, we are announcing leaderboard. So leaderboard is gamifying the governance process. So every action on-chain or off-chain will earn you points. So we are calling them astral points. We are also working with some partners to incentivize these astral points. And of course, we can see our Rahul, Secretary of the State of Polkadot, Rahul Datti, is #1. His old account is also #2. Another announcement we are making is we are introducing bounty product. So this product will make creating and finding bounty very easier. Bounty is cornerstone to treasury spending. So creating bounty, creating sub-bounties, founding bounty, and making bounty creator accountable is very necessary. One another feature we are coming out with, this was suggested by Son Tabriji himself, Tinder-style voting. So you can land on a page on a mobile view, and you will see multiple proposals which are being introduced. And you can swipe left and right quickly to say yes or no to those proposals. And at the end, you will do a utility.batch transaction to vote on everyone at once. So these are some of our stats. After our identity product was launched, we have given 300+ judgment. It's where the most intuitive way to set your identity on Polkadot. In the last month itself, we had around 115K unique users to our website and 58 million API requests. But we are planning to put rate limits now because it's being abused. Our APIs are open. 17,000 comments has been done on Polkassembly. It can consist of 94% of the total in the ecosystem. Yeah. Also, we have another product, Town Hall. Town Hall development was not charged to the treasury. It's gamifying off-chain governance. Off-chain, and it can be spaces for Town Hall can be created by any community with any token. So the decision that Brussels should be the next location for Polkadot Decoded was done on Town Hall vote. That it should not be Copenhagen, but it was Brussels. So check out Town Hall as well. Town Hall is already working with multiple different decentralized communities outside Polkadot also. And this is our roadmap. So we are expanding analytics and start page so that users can make more informed decisions. Tinder-style voting is coming. We are decentralizing our storage so that it lives on forever. We are coming out with reputation and social badges, also social timeline, so that you can scroll it like Twitter. And we are also researching anonymous votings. So we are trying to create a palette with the power of fully homomorphic encryption. Users can vote anonymously with their dots. So most of the decision will not be good for it, but some decisions which users want to keep their info anonymous, they can use this. Yeah. And we also have our multisig Polkasafe, which has also become the gold standard in Polkadot multisigs out there. It also have multiple apps now, where with your multisig address, you can log in directly into sub-ID, Aster, Polkassembly, etc. So yeah, I think that's it. So help make Polkassembly better by sharing your feedback. You can share your feedback at hello@polkassembly.io and submit bugs at GitHub. Thank you.